Welcome back to our retaining wall project in Duxbury, Massachusetts. We're here to explore step 5 of the 6-step process of building retaining walls, installing successive courses, and backfilling. So now that we've successfully installed our base course of wall block, it's time to build the rest of the wall. When installing successive courses, there are a few best practices to follow. The first is to maintain a clean surface with a small hand broom or brush to make sure there's no debris between blocks. This will ensure that proper alignment and interlock will occur for the remainder of construction. There are many types of interlock and alignment methods designed into segmental retaining wall blocks, such as tongue and groove, or plastic pins and clips that fit into the grooves. Keeping each block clean will allow the blocks to sit flush and align properly. On a structural note, vertical joint lines should be broken every other course. Another consideration is to check the level of the wall as each course is added. Now this can be done with a series of different levels, ranging from a small torpedo level to a 6 or 8 foot level to maintain level throughout the entire wall. Any irregularities can be caught and amended easier by checking as you go. Backfilling is the next step. This step is crucial to the future performance of your wall by creating a zone where moisture can easily flow to your previously installed drainage system. It provides strength and drainage for the life of the wall. If done properly, hydrostatic pressure will be prevented from reducing the wall's integrity. Now, with regards to hydrostatic pressure, this means that water needs to be diverted away from the wall so it does not collect and during the freeze-thaw cycle potentially cause the wall to fail, as it could be pushed out at the bottom or topple over. Additionally, retained soils can migrate over time and clog the drainage stone, again, causing undue pressure from water retention and lead to failure. To prevent soil migration, filter fabric that was installed during the base installation can be pulled up to encapsulate the stone and prevent migration into the clean stone backfill area. The wall should be backfilled with a clean, angular, 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch stone. Now backfilling should occur every 2 courses of wall and be at a minimum 12 inches deep from the back of the block. Now depending on site conditions, the backfill zone may be increased to alleviate drainage issues. Now when clean angular drain stone is placed behind a wall, it is somewhat consolidated, but needs mechanical assistance to achieve the needed 95% standard Proctor density. Only handheld compaction tools should be used to consolidate the backfill drainage stone, such as a hand tamper or small lightweight plate compactor. No heavy equipment is to be used within 3 feet of the back of the wall to prevent damage or compromise to the structure. Now continue this process until the wall has reached the design height. Now that we've completed the wall and backfill, we can get ready to finish the project. Thanks for joining us on the job site. We hope you gained some helpful insight into installing successive courses and backfilling retaining walls.